this guy left and right. Zoom in.
This?
This one, the little roller.
That's where.
So right here, if you use this little thing right here. Zoom,
that.
yeah, zoom. Put this around your wrist, and you won't get as close as we will, so you don't need gloves. If they start coming toward you, don't move unless they're coming toward your hands. They won't mess with anything else. That covers most of them.
Supposed to be 2 fingers in there?
Oh, there's one right there. Put that one over.
Put what?
Put that one in there. Okay, now put that one in the other one. And pull that one out and put it in there. There. Now let me tighten it up. There. That covers most of your hand. Now they'll only get you in the finger if they get you. Let's try to make this with just the right fingers. There you go.
That always happens as soon as I get this on. I get an itch in my eye or something.
No, she can be there. Well, she's just going to take the pictures of the frames we want to look at.
Oh.
I opened up this. I opened up this and there were smoke.
Pictures?
They were what?
You can take a few pictures.
Did you say they were smoking?
There was smoke.
Steam, you mean?
See that?
Keep that turning off.
I know it will. If you push the you push.
There's something.
It's okay. You don't want to jerk because that'll scare them. I know, and they might just come close to you and they might land on you, but
Okay, our goal here
still you'll be okay.
is to find our queen in this hive. What is that?
You don't want to put that there.
Am I supposed to be taking the video?
No, I'm taking the video on my head. She's definitely going to be there.
Take that one out, or you just want me to slide it over?
Well, is there any? That's all honey.
Huh?
Let's try this one. This one doesn't look like it's all honey. This looks like it's.
This side's honey.
Is it?
Partial, mostly. Oh, this one's got brood, the next one.
Okay. Trying to see if this one does.
Look at the bottom. There's stuff at the bottom. That's not queen food, is it?
No. This is. Okay. Come here, Brooke. I want you to take a picture. Whoops. Of the bottom. Or
You
the
mean
top
bottom?
now. The top.
The top where you've got that stuff sticking out?
Yep. Just hold it down until it takes. I think it took. Do another one.
What is the temperature
Okay.
out here today?
You see that, Lori? Look at
What? What are we looking
the
at?
very top. See all the brood, all the larvae, uncapped.
Oh, you mean, yes. Yeah. I thought you meant on that very top.
Should I put this right here?
You know, because you'll mix it up. Put it back in
I
here.
don't know.
You see her on there? This one's got some drones. There's a really dark bee over here on this side. It's a big dark one.
Lots of eggs, or lots of larvae. You see all that?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I got it.
Oh, you're gonna take it?
Is there larvae in there?
Yeah.
On your side?
Yeah, I think there was. Actually, I don't remember.
Yeah, take a picture of inside the cells. Oh, it's turned off. Push the power. There you go. Okay, and okay. Can you put that one back? Oh, I can't put this one back.
Oh, sorry.
I got it.
Wow, really, really close.
Yeah, you don't have to get close
Why
if
do
you
they
don't.
have so much space at the bottom to build all that? Do you see the queen anywhere? I don't see her on this side.
I don't. Look at that one dancing.
You've got so much brood.
I know, this is nice.
Holy cow.
You got an itch?
Put my hair in her ponytail.
We have yet to find the queen in this
Tons
hive
and
yet.
tons of brood.
Yep. Lots and lots of brood over here. She's obviously been up here, but
Yeah. She's in there somewhere, I'm sure. Do you want me to tear off this stuff they're building at the bottom?
no,
No?
I won't believe it. So there's eggs over there that are not eggs, but larvae
You got an itch?
that are a few days old because they're already. Okay, now we're getting back into the honey.
There's fruit on this side.
Is there eggs or brood?
I don't know. You're holding it sideways. You can't see. Put it straight.
Yep, just a second.
Put it up higher. Okay, whoa. There's larvae.
Take a picture of this on the bottom.
Bottom, that thing. Just that little piece.
They're hitting you, huh?
I can see it.
Just take it. Now do the other one. Do another one. Okay, Jib, go back, Brooke. Keep on going. Keep on walking. That one's following you.
This is just honey.
It was hitting her hands. This one, there's no.
No, those last three were all honey. It's not gonna fit.
Not on this side.
Here, take that off.
We're missing somewhere.
Take off the.
Oh. Well, look at all of them. Holy cow. No, I'll do it. Ready? Ah! Oh, that thing's heavy. Ah, don't break it off. I want
Why?
to keep it. It's brood of some sort.
Oh yeah, but
Oh, look at this baby. Oh, this.
Pick it up, pick it up. I want to see.
That's a baby. When it's really, you see how his wings are still really soft? It's just a little baby.
Oh, there's one on your arm.
I know. I know. Look at that.
okay, here.
Oh.
It was already dead.
That's a mole. Should I scrape this off on this side like we did with that other stuff?
How bad is it? Yeah. Oh, they
Should I just scrape off the beads? and
wonder if
stuff?
they're cleaning it.
What? Here, let's take two out and make it easier this time.
Okay. Now these are light. She needs to be down here laying.
She probably is.
They bugging you? They'll do that. Is it still light as can be?
I don't see anything on this side.
We just miss her on the upstairs?
No, she's probably down here. Remember, yours has a smaller dot. She's a little bit harder to see.
She's blue color too. Nope. Okay, we're getting a little heavier. This is brood on it. And larva.
Hold it up more.
You have brood on that side?
Mm-hmm. Got it?
Wow, look at that. There's a drone. See the big old eyes? Big old body. Up top here. Very top, crawling over.
Mm-hmm.
The drones are hatching. She has plenty of room.
This is all pollen and stuff. Hey! She's gotta be in there, we just missed her.
You would imagine
You wanna
somebody's
go back through
laying.
it again?
No. I mean, we saw eggs, right?
Yeah. Well,
you
I
see
didn't-
eggs?
I saw larvae. We didn't rotate this box. Did you want to?
No, we didn't. No, because there's,
It's not empty like mine was.
yeah. And there's brood down there too, so. They aren't being real agitated, so it's not like we took her queen away, you know. When we separated yours last week, they were mad that we took her queen. We put it over here. You could tell they weren't happy. Okay, hold down this box. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Get back there. Or it's gonna fall. Oh,
Like that? Here you go. See, there's just not as many. Of course, this is the top box that.
Yeah.
Think they're still eating this?
Should we check this? I can't remember if there was brood up here.
No, that was an empty box before. Remember?
Oh, this was the one that was on the bottom.
Yeah.
Have you found any honey yet?
Yeah, we found lots of honey.
Did you get any this time?
I don't know.
You could kick that one over. You're okay. She could be in there though. She could have migrated up.
What if mom's side had two?
Brood here. The very last one.
Is there?
It's a bee poop.
Where?
That's not a good thing. There. It's like mustard.
Where?
On the honey.
Oh yeah. That's just one little dot. Plus they were cooped up for, all week. Mostly. See how lots of brood.
Tons of brood.
Oh, lots of brood here. You gotta have.
See where it goes.
You gotta ever take a picture of it.
It's all on one side.
That's because the Honey's on the other side.
Oh.
Oh, honey, you're doing good, but hopefully it. Look at this.
Wow.
Another.
Holy
And look at
cow.
this side.
I can't see very good. The sun's glaring on my.
Oh, it's both sides are just chock full. Not doing my job at all.
Larva.
You see lots of larvae?
Lots of larvae, lots of capped brood.
Cat brood over here, and lots of. I don't know if there's larvae in there.
Oh yeah, I can see larvae.
Queen.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh, there she is.
Go get a picture.
That's okay. Just take a whole picture of the whole thing.
So that means there should be eggs. Hopefully she can. Or is this just old brood? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Good thing I got my glasses on. There's eggs just laid in here. You want to see if you can see it? And in here too. So if you look down, you see it's just a little, looks like a mini piece of rice. It's heavy because of all the honey. You see just little pieces of rice on the ends, on the bottoms.
Oh yeah.
On both sides too, that little spot.
That big old thing of honeybee right in the middle.
I know. No, yeah. My finger's stuck. She can go up. Is this one empty?
Yeah, this one's empty. Look, they're storing honey over here. Already. This side.
Trying to see if she's laid here.
I don't think we're gonna need to feed them.
No, I don't think
I mean,
so
if
either.
they're already storing honey, then that means
Oh, yeah.
they're able to get food, right?
Yeah. Oh, and look at all the eggs on the bottom.
I don't see
You
it.
can't see it?
It's probably the sun.
Yeah. Look at it like that. I mean, it looks like they're already starting to work the upper box. Look at all the bees up there.
I thought we put it. Wait, no, the empty one is on the bottom.
you, you want me to move this one?
I'll help you.
Okay.
Do you want to do by yourself?
No, I don't want to do it by myself.
Check her boredom, like you said.
Yeah.
This is all honey.
Is that mold?
No, doesn't look moldy.
No, the other side.
No,
on the
other
bottom.
side's not moldy. Oh yeah, on the bottom a tiny bit on the wood, but not. That one's empty.
Lots of places to lay.
This one's empty.
That one's empty.
So maybe that's why we didn't last time.
Let's see if
She
she's
has
been
a
down
lot.
here. See
That's
if
what I was gonna
in the past week and a half, I guess it's been, since we
What are you
moved
guys
this.
looking for now?
We're just
say.
looking
No,
to see
it's
if.
only been a week.
No, we didn't check them last week, did we?
Yeah.
If it has honey?
We're just seeing if the queen's been down here laying eggs in the bottom.
I don't see any.
Has she?
I don't.
There's one or two.
We're not seeing any yet.
Let's see the other one.
Yeah, there's lots in that other one.
Is that gonna
That's good.
Oh, here's some brood. But
Brood.
I don't know if this is
Yeah.
from last week. Oh, there's a couple of larvae.
Really?
Yeah, how long is larva?
7?
Oh, I see eggs. Lots of eggs.
That's all.
Lots of
That's not just brood, dear. That bulky stuff is all
I know.
drone.
I know. But look at this side. There's tons of eggs on the bottom where it looks empty. She's coming down here.
Yep. She's coming down here because these are larger cells, so she's laying brood in it. Or drones. Because that's a natural frame. Lots of brood on that.
Oh, here's larva. So it looks like she still has a lot of room down here in the bottom still.
Yep.
I
Hopefully.
think we're okay, right?
Swarm season's coming. We'll find out in a month. Or in a couple weeks. That one's ready.
Are we done?
Almost. Oh yeah. Lots of larvae. Larva. It's a larva, Marty.
Okay, we're
Uh-oh.
good. I don't have to pull the other ones out. How much space do they say you should leave her
If
for?
humans had that many babies, that'd be great.
Wow.
That'd be super hard to take care of.
Oh, we got
I
one.
would probably get so
Hold on.
like millions of babies.
I say we take it out. It's up to you. Think he's looking for other things now? Hold
Don't you
on.
want to put that on the thing? Take this one out and put it on the tray frame holder.
Here, we'll put that one on the tray holder. Just know it goes in second. Hold on, I'm trying to get this guy out of there. Okay, go.
It's not on. Here, it's on top of the frame.
Definitely has plenty of room.
Well, if she goes up at the top. I didn't notice if there was honey.
Yeah, there wasn't. I checked. It's good they're working this. You know, before they were working nothing
Yeah,
in this basement one.
that's true.
They were ignoring it like nothing else.
There's pollen here.
Are you done?
Yeah, you can go.
I need help getting up.
Okay, just
Okay,
wait a few minutes.
Wait a minute then.
Yeah, there's lots of pollen being packed in here. That's what they're using it for right now. They haven't cleaned out a few of the dead ones yet that never made it out in the winter.
Here, give me that.
Old queen cells.
No, just all messed up. Figure out to pull this out.
Yeah, those are all queen cells right there.
Oh.
See? Is it?
Oh yeah.
There's 2 or 3 of them you pulled out.